Hello everyone, so today we are going to create a home folder and we create for each user a folder inside this home folder. So let's go and follow with me. Okay, so before I create the home folder, I need to insert or install a disk space in my server. So to do that, highlight your server and go to settings and then go to storage and click on this button here, add hard disk. Click on that and then go to create and then give it 5 gigabytes. And you can change the name of the hard disk from here. So let's call it hard disk 2. Okay, and then keep it VDI and click on finish. So you find it here, hard disk 2, highlight it. I have different hard disk because I was testing. So if it is your first time, you will find only the hard disk created here and not attached. So highlight this hard disk and then click on choose. Okay, keep it as it is and then click OK. Let's start our server now and install the hard disk. Alright, let's log on to our server. Boot it, go to manage, go to tools, and then go to computer management. Click on computer management and then go to disk management, and this is to initiate your disk. So click on OK and then you will have it here. So this is the 5 gigabytes of the disk that we have installed. It's not allocated yet. So how to allocate it? Right click and then go to new simple volume. And then you will have this wizard. Click on next. Keep the same size. Click on next. And you can assign any letter you want here. Otherwise, click on next. Keep the NTFS file system and then change the volume label to let's call it home directories. Right, and then perform quick format for the NTFS file system. Click on next and then finish. If we close this and we go to this PC, we'll see our hard disk here with 5 gigabytes of size. So double click on the disk and then go to new and create a new folder. Let's call this folder as home folder and then go to properties of this folder. Let's share this folder in the network. Go to sharing and then advanced sharing and then click on share this folder. So now this folder is shared in the domain and we need to hide this folder from everyone except the administrator. So what we are going to do is to add a $sign here. Okay, and then go to permissions and give full control for everyone. Okay, and then hit OK, apply, and then OK, and then apply, and then OK. So take this network path of the folder. Let's create a note document here. Okay, and then paste this network path. Okay, so now let's go to security and highlight users and the domain and users, and then click on advanced. Right, first thing, we need to disable inheritance for everyone. So let's disable the inheritance and click on convert inheritance permissions to explicit permissions on this object. Okay, and then click for each user, remove it. So now we removed all the users to access or modify or do anything. So we removed the permissions for all the users inside this this home folder. Okay, and then click on apply and then okay. So only the administrator can access and see what we have in this home folder, and then close it here. Let's go and add users folders. So go to users and computers, and then go to the first user. Let's start by Joe Smith. So double click or right click and then properties of Joe Smith, and then go to profile. In the profile, change the home folder from local path to connect, and then find choose any symbol you want. So I will keep it by default Z, and then go to your node and bring this path here. Yeah, copy this path and paste it here, and add backward slash double percentage symbols and write username and click on apply. You will have your username here, G Smith. Okay, all right, so once you click, so you should have a folder in a home folder for Joe Smith. So now we have J Smith folder. Let's go and check if G Smith has the all permissions for his folder. So you can right click and go to properties, and then go to security, highlight the administrator. Okay, and then click on advanced, and then click on effective access, select, and then right here G Smith, check names, click OK, and then view the effective access. So you will see Joe Smith has full control in his assigned folder, right? Click on OK and then close it. And you can check it, for example, in the home folder that Joe Smith doesn't have any access to the home folder. So this means Joe Smith can access the assigned folder and can do everything, but J Smith cannot see anything inside the home folder. Okay, because we are going to create other folders in the home folders for the other users, so every user cannot see the folders for the other users, right? So if you click on properties and then you go to security here, you highlight the administrator and then go to advanced, and go to effective access, select a user, and let's see with J Smith, check the name, and then click OK and view the effective access. Here you will see that J Smith doesn't have any permission in the home folder. Okay, so you can cancel everything, And yeah, let's now check if it's working in the network. So what we are going to do is to um, turn on our client machine, and then let's go to this PC, and we need to have this folder here. Okay, so double click on the folder, and now let's create something. Like, let's create a new test document file, and call it test, for example. Okay, so now if we go to the server side, we need to see our test file. If we go to home folder, and then we go to JSmith, and we have to see the test file. So as you can see, the test file is void, so let's do the reverse check. So let's write, like, for example, hello world. If we go to the other side, to the client, and we open the test file, we need to see the hello world. Like this, we know that Joe Smith has been folder has been created and successfully is in the network. So we can do the same with the other user. So let's go, and similarly, let's go to the second user, which is your name. So go to properties, and then go to profile, and then go to connect, give it a name, change it from Z to Y or X just to avoid confusion, and then provide the folder path or the network path, add back slash, and then add $% user name. I like to do this option instead of just put in the logo name of the user to avoid any typo and make sure that the folder is correct, the folder path. And then click apply. Right, click apply, and then click OK. Right, so if we go to this PC again, home folder, and I can see I have two folders, one for JSmith and the other one for the your name or your credential. Right, okay, let's check this if it's working in the network. So what we are going to do is to log out from Joe Smith and log on with my credentials. So go to other users and provide my user. Okay, once logged on, go to this PC, and you will find the folder here for the second user, and we can test also the folder by creating a text document. Let's call it test, and hello world. Right, and we can go to the server. From the server side, let's go to this PC, not this one. Let's go to this PC, go to home directories, home folders, second one, and we will see Our text file is here. So we can check also this connection from the server. So modify it. Let's close it, then reopen it, and you will see the modification that we added from the server here. Right, so like that we have added a disk space today, and we have added a home folder and folders for each user, and we tested the success or the connection in the network from the client side. And that's all for today, and see you for the next video. So please subscribe, like, and share to motivate me and encourage me to do more videos. Thank you.